Hi, my name is Samay Choksi, and I'm one of the directors of Oculus, which is the brand name for the lighting company.
Okay.
And we've just introduced this, launched the entire brand company in the lighting fair this year. So it's an early start for us. This is our first year of operation, and our goal is to become one of the top leading lighting companies going forward. And the vision of this company is very simple. What we've observed is uh, with all the other manufacturers that are there in the industry who've been there for a while, we want to add a new dimension of design and style to the entire lighting industry. We feel there's a lot of scope for change as far as aesthetics is concerned and technicality is concerned. So that's what our principal goal is, to be creative with every product that we basically introduce in the market. That's what our core strength really is.
So how's your product is different from others, because there are so many LED lights. So how's your product is different?
So our major differentiating factor, like I already mentioned earlier, is design. Our products are stylish. The idea is when a consumer touches the product, when he sees it, there is an emotional connect that happens before the purchase actually takes place.
Right.
All our products, whether it's from the form of seeing it, touching it, or sensing it, are aesthetically supercharged so that when a consumer looks at it, he's attracted to buy it. Our idea is to connect directly with the consumer right from the touch and feel stage. So why are we different? It is our creativity, right from our packaging, right from our product design, and giving good value for money when it comes to the lumen output or the technicalities with respect to the product that we have designed.
Okay. So what are the new products you launch in this exhibition? What are these new products?
In fact, for us, as Oculus is being launched in this exhibition itself, as a whole package of Oculus LED products.
Right.
So all of the products are different, so new for us or new for the industry as well.
Right.
But especially in the higher wattage bulb category, we are the new intervenant.
Yeah.
In some COB segment,
Right.
we are the first one to introduce those products.
Okay.
In some COB other adjustable light segment, we are one of the first ones to introduce these products.
Okay.
So our basic idea is to be among the leaders, not as the followers.
Right. Right. Exactly.
So that is it, and hopefully we'll take this to greater heights.
So you find your buyers over there, like good buyers. You find that buyers.
Yeah, so we've got a very good response,
Yeah.
and for a company, every buyer is a good buyer. So I cannot really say whether we had a good buyer or not,
Right.
because we respect all our buyers. But yes, we've got a very good response, and like I said, the reason being is our differentiation from what everyone else has.
Okay.
And obviously, the customer is always right, and we're getting a phenomenal response from them, and we are very, very excited to push this product into the market going forward.
In fact, let me add over here
Yeah.
that what we had expected coming over here. So now this has given us a platform from where the company and the brand is really taking off. The kind of response and the kind of customers we are getting here. So this is a good takeoff position for us. More than what we had expected.
Great. Great. So how much rating would you like to give this exhibition out of 10?
So for me, it's a 10% situation. I would give it a 10 on 10 because it's our launch pad. We've got the response we were expected, and as Sanjay ji here said as well, that we got more than what we had expected.
Right, right.
So for us, it's been it's a
10
packed
out of
house.
10.
So we are very happy with the entire event and the atmosphere of the event.
Okay.
And I'd like to add, and I would give a big vote of thanks for the people who've organized the event with the seminar that they held, where I had an opportunity to basically listen to a lot of industry veterans talking about where the future is.
Okay.
And I never mentioned that earlier, but I'd like to hint it that even from the technological front, when it comes to smart cities and smart lighting and smart tech,
Yeah.
I would say we are lucky to say that we are also already in line as far as that smart revolution is concerned. We have the technology base, and we are hoping that going forward, as our products are introduced, we'll be able to leverage that technological know-how with Oculus as a company.